My name is Cassandra Brown. I go by Cassie. I am 29 years old and I live in Nashville, Tennessee. I am lack about 3 classes to finishing up my public health master's with UNE. Pictured on the screen now is my family. We just got married almost a year ago. It was last February. This is my husband and my stepson. And these are 2 of our 3 fur babies. We all 3 of them are rescues. The 2 pictured are Izzy and Lily, and Lana is a Great Pyrenees German Shepherd mix, who I did not have a picture of on my computer. My job currently is as a nuclear medicine technologist. My bachelor's is in medical imaging with a minor in physics. And I currently still love what I do as a nuclear medicine technologist. Um, there are some downsides, being that I play in radiation all day. I inject radioactive tracers, and then we essentially see what the body does with certain things. Um, the picture on the right hand side is a PET scan, which is actually looking for cancer. There are various cancers that we image with it, and we do it almost at all stages and to evaluate treatments as well. Some other things nuclear medicine is known for is stress tests. That is kind of the bread and butter of nuclear medicine. Also, bone scans and HIDA scans looking at gallbladders. But we can kind of look at almost anything we want, given the different tracers. I've been in the public health program for a couple years now. I took a couple semesters off around the time of our wedding. So I'm looking to finish up this year at the end of the year. And I probably plan to go into more of an occupational health sort of track, just because I do still love what I do, so I'd like to be able to kind of incorporate the two. I really have no history or have no work with community assessment and public health, which is one of the reasons I want to take this class to kind of learn about it and see what it is all about. And I look forward to learning with you.